How to fix the Discord overlay is not working. So if you can't see the option for game overlay or the option is missing in Discord, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and solve this issue. So the first thing you'll need to do is just go and load up the Discord app like so, and then click on user settings in the bottom left hand side. You can then scroll down on the left hand navigation and you should see the option for game overlay. Go and click on this. Now make sure enable overlay is turned on and enabled. Also make sure enable legacy overlay is turned on. You can then click on registered games, and from here you should be able to see your game from the list. Now if the game's not being detected, you need to first make sure it's open in the background. So for example, I'm just going to open my game here called Roblox, and then once you've opened your game, you can head back over to Discord and you should be able to see your game from the list. Now from here where it says toggle detection, make sure this is turned on. So if it's currently disabled, you can just click on this icon to enable the detection. Now if you can't see your game from the list, you can always press add it, and then you can go and search for the game you want to add to the overlay. Now if it's still not working, we can come over to this left hand navigation. You can then click on appearance, and if you scroll down to the bottom, click on advanced. Now you'll have the option for enable hardware acceleration. Just go and toggle this to off and click on change and restart. Now if it's still not working after Discord has been restarted, just go and close out of the application. Now go and open up your start menu and just click on settings. From the left hand side select apps and click on installed apps. Now go and search for the word Discord and click on the 3 horizontal dots. You can then press uninstall. Now click on the uninstall button to go and uninstall Discord. Once it's been uninstalled, open up the start menu on your computer and load up the Microsoft Store. Now use the search box at the top and go and type in Discord, and then you'll need to download Discord from the Microsoft Store instead. So you can go and press this blue install button to go and install the app. Now finally, once it's finished installing, open up your start menu. Now type in Discord and go and right click on the application and select run as administrator. Now once you've done this, it should have fixed the issue where the Discord overlay is not working. Now just bear in mind that not all games are supported for the Discord overlay. So if you're running an older game, that might be the reason why you're having this issue. You also need to make sure that in your game settings, your screen is set to either windowed or windowed borderless. This will ensure that your game can be detected in the Discord overlay.